Hi guys, my name is SirObedd. I'm a photographer and I'm also a drone pilot. Here today, I'm going to share with you guys what has been my biggest struggle since I got into the industry. Basically, I'm a very creative person. I create a lot, be it photography, portraits. If it's drone, I also create a lot. So this right here is my 2 terabyte hard drive, and right now I only have about 500 gig left. That's to show you that this bad boy contains a whole lot. So but my biggest struggle has always been putting my work out there, posting them, and which is why I'm having this video today. So I understand that there's a pandemic of challenges out there, cookathon, everything at on, but this is not one of them. This is just for my personal self. So for the next 30 days I'll be making a video and posting every day. So what the video will contain is, it will show you a picture and it will tell a story about how the picture came about. So for the next 30 days, every day I'll be posting one video, and the video will tell the story of a picture. So from the 14th of August, that is next week Monday, I want you guys to join me on this. When you see my post, please engage it and give me feedback so I'll know to carry along with it, and I hope you guys actually join me. So I want you guys to be my accountability partners. Thank you very much.